I'm going to demonstrate how to use this simulation tool. Now, note some of the settings. I have it on oscillate. The end is fixed. There is a ruler there. My dampening's on none, tension's on high. Now I'm going to model how to do 0.9 hertz. Your first measurement starts at 1 hertz, so keep that in mind. But mine I'll do at 0.9. And for each trial, you have to do 6. Change the amplitude around, mess with it, make it different, just so that every one of your trials are a little different. Also, these rulers you can move. I am going to move my vertical ruler so that it lines up with the equilibrium. So I made 0 my equilibrium. Okay, then I hit play. Perfect. So you'll get yours will start moving, and you want to click the pause button. Oh, maybe when it's at a peak. Ooh, okay. Let's, okay, that seems all right. That's gonna show me what I need. It doesn't particularly matter where you pause it per se. You just need to pause it so that um, you have some level of amplitude. You know, you don't want to pause it when everything's flat. It doesn't matter where you pause it or how high the amplitude is, but you want to pause it at some point. And maybe I'll move this ruler a little over so I can see it a little better. Maybe I'll put it over here. I'm not sure yet. Find a spot that you like. Yeah, maybe this is fine. And I have the reference line. That's useful when you click on it. It might help. Now, what you want to do is take a snippet of this screen because that's what you're going to paste into your worksheet. So to use the snippet tool is the window key, Shift and S. And then you could take something of like a screenshot of your work. I just need the actual wave, so maybe just that. Now I have my screenshot. So snippet tool, to use the snippet tool is the window key, Shift and S. Now I can go into my document and hit Control V. And I've just pasted that image in there. Okay. Now utilizing this image, or if you want to go back to your original, you want to take your measurements. So you can figure out the wavelength. I'm going to use the equilibrium to every other equilibrium rule. So equilibrium, every other. So what's the unit for this? Centimeters? Perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 7.2, 7.4. I'd say 7.5. So for mine, this wave has a wavelength of 7.5 centimeters. I can do the same thing, you figuring out the amplitude, moving around this. I get an amplitude of 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8. So perfect. Now my amplitude is 1.8 for where I paused it. So your measurement is just based off where you paused it, not particularly the amplitude that it says here, because we messed with the tension. This string will spread or stretch a little bit. Yeah, that's it.